everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you guys how to use onion and ginger juice to grow your hair. I'm going to show you guys how I use it to improve my hair growth, how I use it to prevent hair loss. As you all know, garlic and ginger is a very good combination. The combination of the two is very good for growing your hair because onions and ginger prevents your hair from hair loss. It also helps you to improve the quality of your hair. I've been using onion and ginger juice for a while now, and I can see that it clearly works. It's been working for me, and I know that it's going to work for you guys. So today I'm going to show you guys the secrets and how I use it. Don't go anywhere. But before I continue, guys, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please go on ahead, click on that subscribe button and turn on your bell notification. And those people that are my old subscribers, thank you so much for coming back. Thank you so much for always dropping by, and thank you so much for watching my videos. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much, and God bless you. So let's get into the preparation. So guys, here is my onions. I'm using only one normal onions. Then I have my ginger here. So I'll go ahead to chop the onions. onions and ginger smells. That is the exact smell, but at the end of the day it's very good for you. It's going to give you what you want. After spraying it like this, then you cover it with your, I didn't spray it very well because I didn't really want to spray it. I only wanted to show you guys how it's done. Just be spraying it every time, and you will not have dandruff. You will get rid of dandruff, and you're also going to get rid of hair loss. You will not have, it will prevent your hair from hair loss, and it will give you that healthy hair growth that you want. This is what I use for my hair. I do it like this. I don't have dandruff on my hair, as you can see. Give it a try and you won't regret it, I promise you. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you've not subscribed to my channel, click on that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel for more hair videos. Thank you so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.